India is surrounded by China for the last many years. China has a major geopolitical plan to build a network of military and trade ports across the Indian Ocean. This network, often called the String of Pearls, stretches from mainland China all the way to Africa. What is the goal? Securing its vital sea routes used for trade and energy. This is seen as a strategic encirclement of India and a potential military threat. The major pearls include ports in Pakistan, that is Gwadar, Sri Lanka, Hambantota, and Africa, Djibouti. Gwadar port is acquired by China for 40 years on lease. The country has spent more than 60 billion in the development of CPEC, which is the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. China wants to build a network of roads, railways, bridges connecting to Gwadar port and expand further from there. Furthermore, China has spent approximately more than 1.4 million on the Hambantota port of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka was unable to repay the loan which led China to acquire the port for itself. Now it operates its naval and military bases there. Similarly, China has invested approximately $2 billion till date for the development of Chittagong port in Bangladesh, which very soon will be in its bag. Bay of Bengal route is clear through Myanmar's Kyakyu port. China has been playing with a very simple strategy: provide hefty loans to nations that are unlikely to repay them. When these countries default, China gains control. Now imagine what would you have done if you were in Prime Minister Modi's place. Our Prime Minister has been visiting different countries all these years for a very important reason: to make friends, alliances. In 2017, Quad Alliance was formed. India, Japan, America, Australia. China is in the center of this quadrilateral. This quadrilateral was designed to balance China's growing influence in the Indo-Pacific. They are keeping an eye on each and every activity of the country. PM Modi has also worked immaculately in the development of Andaman Port. The Strait of Malacca is a vital shipping route crossing from here, linking the Indian Ocean to the South China Sea. Another strategic move by PM Modi is the IMEC, which is to bypass the activities controlled by China on the Gwadar port. He befriended UAE, Saudi Arabia, Israel, Jordan, and acquired the Strait of Hormuz, providing funds for the development of their ports. This is done to block the trade route of China. Through these tireless efforts and strategic vision, Prime Minister Narendra Modi continues to lead the nation on a path toward unprecedented economic growth, while keeping our borders and interests secure. A vision of a stronger, safer, and more prosperous nation. Thank you for watching this video.